Hello, Lindsay Bewley here, Design Manager at Loftwall. Solving acoustic issues can be tough, so I wanted to share with you how our acoustic calculator helped one of our clients tackle noise problems in their space. At the end, I'll introduce a new practical tool that you can take into the field to capture those project details. Let's jump in. We had a customer with a straightforward office layout, 4 workstations in an open office, a meeting room, and a private office. The problem? Noise from a neighboring cafeteria was flooding into all 3 areas. First, we entered the dimensions, 26 feet by 25 feet with a 9-foot ceiling, thin carpet on the floor, dry walls, and an acoustic ceiling tile. The analysis showed that the reverb time was already within the recommended range due to the carpet and low ceiling height, but the issue wasn't reverb. It was sound transfer from the cafeteria. So we shifted our focus to the cafeteria itself. The cafeteria space was 28 feet wide by 32 feet long with a 14-foot ceiling. The materials included concrete flooring, mostly drywall, and some glass windows. The analysis showed a reverb time of 0.93 seconds, too high for an office environment. Ideally, it should be between 0.75 and 0.85 seconds. I asked the client what type of solutions they'd be open to, and since it's a cafeteria, they didn't want freestanding dividers or a wall-mounted solution. That's when we suggested ceiling baffles. After adjusting the settings in the acoustic calculator, we found that adding 11 baffles would bring the reverb time down to the lower end of the target range, 0.75 seconds. The client was thrilled to finally have a quieter and more productive workspace. Of course, every project is unique, which is why we've created additional tools like our Acoustic Calculator Questionnaire to help simplify your on-site evaluations. You can print it out and use it to make sure no critical details are missed before entering the information into our calculator later on. It covers basic project info and includes prompts for things like reflected ceiling plans and elevations. There's also an acoustic assessment section with questions like, what are the primary noise sources? And are there any soft seating areas? These questions help us get a clear picture of the space, even if we're not there in person. Once you filled it out, just send it over to quotes@loftwall.com and we'll help take it from there.